So guys, making another video. I'm working on mine mini bike today. So I've been running these for a while now. I got these at Walmart. These are chargeable from the back here, and they're pretty good and everything. But I decided just to upgrade it with something a little more better. So what I did is I bought this. This is like a little conversion where you can run your power tool batteries, or these will be for the Milwaukee small ones. And then it comes with a switch and then with a relay. And I bought this LED light. So I'm gonna try to mount this on the mini bike and then mount this as well, so I could run these. Cause I have extra batteries, but I'm gonna try to buy more just to have extras. And then we're gonna install those on the mini bike. And then I have little extra ones too for my brother-in-law's mini bike and my sister's. And I have another extra one for one of my friends' mini bike too, so we can get that going. We're gonna be doing that as well. So I'll get some pictures and more videos on the installation. So keep you guys updated. Alright guys, got the headlight installed. The battery pack under the gas tank. I put the switch over here. What's up guys? Making another video. So I finished installing the headlight on the mini bike. And I ran the wire and everything and the conversion for the power tool battery and the switch. So I wired it up and everything. So here's the battery and everything. And then here's the switch. And that's the headlight. And then hit the switch again. So on the bracket, I welded it and everything, and then just put the bolt. Instead of drilling it, put the bolt over here in the middle. Just decided to weld it, because I know with a vibration, the bolt might back out and everything. But honestly, I like this. It came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. And I ordered some other ones, but those are for the bigger batteries, Milwaukee. I think they're universal. We're gonna be installing those on my brother-in-law's mini bike and his brother-in-law mini bike. And I think I might get another one of these, or maybe get another one of the other ones for my brother's mini bike for this one. And then I might probably just make a bracket here and then mount the LED light on it. I'm gonna make a video on that too. So let me know what you guys think on this. See you guys in the next one.